Hey everybody, this is Greg with Greg's Random Thoughts. Thought I would do something a little different today. Normally I go through a stack of bills, and as I find them, I'll mention that, there's 3 5s on this one and move on. But on my Star Note lookup website, there's actually part of it has what they call a coolness factor. So what I did today, instead of going through it live, I've gone through all the stacks of bills and I picked out the coolest ones. And what I'm going to do is we're going to check the cool factor on all the 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, that type of thing. And then of course I've got a couple star notes I'm saving for the end, and those I'll reveal the coolness factor on those as well. So this is going to be a little bit different, and I'm going to do this on live time. So let's just get started. I got the star notes on, they'll be the last 2 that I bring up, but as an example, what I'm talking about, let's say there was 8 zeros in the serial number. Now, what we have here is it contains all 8. I'm reading this off the website, and that is what is called the 99.83% coolness index, and it's got an extremely cool rating. And then they got some more information on it as well. So, for example, this is called a palindrome. Only 0.0110% of 8-digit numbers are palindromes. So, that is something a little different. I don't even know what a palindrome is, but there you have it. So, each cool note will have a little bit more information on it. So, what we're going to do right off the bat here is I'm going to punch in the numbers as we go along here, and I'll let you know right on this one. We're checking this one out. This number here has a coolness index of 82.7, and what their cool factors are saying it's almost a cool rating. And here it says it contains 1 triple together. Only 5.4% of an 8-digit numbers have this combination. And so that's a little bit more information than I could normally give before. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go on to the next one here. And I'm going to punch in the numbers for this next bill here. So bear with me as I get that going. It'll only take a second. And this one has got a coolness index of 86.4. And what they're saying, the rating, is almost cool as well. So that's kind of, it's similar to the last one. So that was kind of, a little different. And some of the other numbers will have more of a 4 of a kind, 5 of a kind. Those will be a little different. Now let's see what this guy has here. He's got that. He's got a coolness index of only 82%. He's almost cool as well. So he's got some of the same information as the last 2, but we'll keep them coming here. So now here's let's see what this guy ends up with here. Check the this one's got a coolness index of 94.3 and it's considered a cool rating. And what's doing that is this number contains 3 pairs together, and only 0.075 of 8-digit numbers have this combination. So it says that it contains a triple and 2 pairs, and only 4.6 have that in an 8-digit number. So this is a little bit more information, and it's just something I thought would be cool to do a little different. Please comment and let me know what your thoughts are on this style. And now here's a number. This one here, I'm checking this. It's got 5 5s in there. Now here, this one went way up on the coolness index. This one's got an 98.4% coolness index, and it's got a very cool rating. And it says here that this number contains a 5 of a kind. Only 0.037% of an 8-digit numbers have this combination. And it says it's 5 of a kind and 1 pair on there as well. Yeah, the 2 8s on there would be a pair, I guess. And only 0.13% out of an 8-digit number would have that. So, very cool rating. And that's, a lot of times you'll hear me say, oh, very cool. Well, that officially is a very cool rating. So that was kind of neat. And let's see what we got on the next one here. Give me 2 seconds to put these numbers in. And let's see what we got here. Checking it out. This one's got a coolness index of 86.6%. And they're saying, oop, it's almost cool. So, because it's really just a 3 of a kind type thing here. So that was kind of cool to do it this way. Like I said, please let me know what you think of this operation here. This one here's got this one's got a coolness index of 86.7 with what they're calling almost cool rating. And I think to be kind of really cool, I think you have to be up over 90% the way it's looking to me. So, and what they're saying, this contains a 4 of a kind. Only 5% of 8-digit numbers have this combination. And it contains a triple, and only 5.4 of 8-digit numbers have this combination. So, yeah, there we go. And, alright, let's go on to the next one. So, yeah, this is a little bit more information than what I normally give. So, let's see what this guy does here. And this one here's got a coolness index of 88.9. And again, almost a cool rating. And it says it contains a triple and 2 pairs. Only 4.6 have that combination there. So, yeah, that's kind of interesting info. Now, the next one here, it doesn't matter what year you put in either. So, but it does on the Star Notes. Now here, this one here is a 91.3% coolness index, and they're giving it a cool rating. And the information they're saying here contains 1 triple and 1 pair together. Only 1.5% of all 8-digit numbers have this combination. So we had a cool one here, according to whoever puts this cool fancy serial number checkered together. So, yeah, isn't that cool? Who would have thought that there'd be something like that? Now, on this one, it's an 87.1 coolness index. Almost cool is what they're saying. Let's go on to the next one. And what do we got? 04. It's got a bunch of 2s on it. So, this one here is, they're saying 88% coolness index. Almost cool. So he's not really, he's kind of a run-of-the-miller, I guess. So now here we got our favorite numbers right here. And the coolness index is 81.2. Almost cool. And it only contains 1 triple together. 5.4% of all 8 digits have that. And so he goes into the pile. Not a casino number I'm going to take with me. on this one here. So let's see what I got here. This one here has only got an 81.5% coolness index. He's almost cool. So we'll skip him then. So this one here, let's see what he's got a 92% coolness index with what they're saying is a cool rating. And that's because it's got a triple and one pair together. Only 1.5% of an 8-digit number have that. And then they have another deal. It says sum up to 22. Not sure what that means, but anyway, we'll leave that one be. Here, let's see what we got here. This one here is a 94.7 coolness index, and it's got a cool rating, and it says it's got a sum of 16, whatever that means, and it contains 4 of a kind and 1 pair. Only 2.6 of an 8-digit number have that, and it says it has 4 unique digits, and I suppose that's because of all the zeros. So that one got us a cool rating. So yeah, it's amazing what they come up with nowadays, isn't it? So here, on this one here, let's see what we got here. Now this one here, oh, I see. I put in the numbers, and this one's got a 97.4% coolness index, and it's got a very cool rating. And it says it contains 1 triple, 2 pairs, and only 2 pairs together. Only 0.092% of an 8-digit number have that combination, and it has 4 unique digits. In 9.3% of 8-digit numbers, there are 4 or fewer unique digits. Very cool. That is actually a very cool rating. So yeah, I thought I'd do something a little different here, so I hope you're all liking this. You know, please do the subscribe thing. Comment. Let me know what you're thinking on how I'm doing this. Now, this one here is another 95.3 coolness index, and with a very cool rating. And that's because of, I guess, all the 8s, and then there's, what is it, 4 of a kind. And then it has 4 digits that have a sum of 49. I'm going to have to look further into that because I really don't even know what that means. But 95.3, a very cool rating, it says. Very good. And what do we got here? This one here. And this one's got, let me check it out. It's got a very cool rating. 95.8% coolness index. And it's because it has, it's got a full house, 44 and 3 4s. And that's 5 of a kind. Only 43% of 8-digit numbers have that combination. A triple and 1 pair together. Cool. Very good. Now remember, I got the star notes in the very bottom here. See, I'm holding out the good stuff for the end here for you. That's to keep you interested till the end, right? Now this one's got a 95% coolness index. Very cool rating. And it contains 3 pairs, 55, 99, 66. And it's actually got 3 9s, and that's what's given that one the very cool rating. So let's see what we got here. This one we are down to, okay, there we go, 93.5 on the coolness index of cool rating. So, and it's talking about the triple and the pair together. We've kind of gone over some of that before, so that's kind of neat. Now this one here, star note, where I got 2 star notes out of it. So let's see what we came up with on this one. Oop, I got to go back. Oh, that's we're looking for the rareness factor on this one here. And this one, I looked it up already. It's not a rare bill. Very run-of-the-mill. They made originally 6.8 million, and the rerun size was 3.2 million. So that's the story on that one. And then that is, I thought I had another. Oh, there's one right there. Okay, yeah, I already flipped that one over. Sorry about that. And let me take a second to put on all that information. This one I gotta do all the information. 6, 7. And then I got that. And this one is a 2004. You know, I don't get a lot of those at all. And oh, it says I messed up something there. A 2004 EG034 67419. Oh, I see what I did. My thick thumbs here. Okay, there we go. I put 2 stars on it. Now this one, what they're saying is originally there was a 4.4 million. And when they did the reprint, they did 640,000 only on the replacement breakdown. So, there you go. Very good. I appreciate you taking a look at what I've done here. And thank you so much. We will talk to you again. Let me know in the comments what you think of this format here. And talk to you soon.